Welcome everyone. In this workshop, creating badges in the virtual classroom, which is part of the training program UPTech, Pedagogical Uses of Technology in Higher Education, we will learn how to use digital badges in Moodle to recognize and motivate students in their learning process. We will explore how to configure them, customize them, and assign them according to the achievements and goals we define in our courses. Digital badges in Moodle are visual representations of the achievements that students obtain when they complete certain requirements or goals within a course. These badges function as rewards or recognitions and are designed to motivate students by marking important milestones in their learning process. Here are some examples of badges from the UPTech training program. These badges recognize the different skills of teachers in the use of tools, methodologies, activities, and resources for the virtual classroom. What key features do digital badges in Moodle have? First, achievements are verifiable. The badges are awarded to students as proof that they have met a specific criterion, such as completing an activity, reaching a competence, or finishing a course. Each badge contains information about who awarded it, the date it was obtained, and the achievement it represents. In turn, we have customizable criteria. Teachers can define the criteria that students must meet to earn a badge. These can include completing specific activities like quizzes, assignments, forums, reaching certain competencies within the framework of course competencies, achieve a minimum grade in a set of activities. We have two types of badges. The side badges are assigned at the level institutional or global. They are awarded for general achievements such as completing several courses or reaching a high level of participation in the virtual classroom. We also have course badges, which are awarded within a particular course and recognize achievements related with the activities or specific competencies of this course. Other key features are that we have customized designs. The badges can have a unique graphic design, giving them a distinctive look and reinforcing their value as recognition. Badges can be creatively designed with artificial intelligence tools like Microsoft Designer or using templates. Portability. Digital badges are portable. This means that students can export their badges to digital badge backpack platforms, in turn sharing them on social media, resumes, websites, or electronic portfolios. This allows students to showcase their achievements outside the virtual classroom environment. Motivation and gamification. Badges are a gamification tool that aims to increase students' motivation by offering tangible rewards for their progress. Students feel encouraged to complete activities and develop skills when receiving this type of recognition. An example of use in the virtual classroom could be in a fundamentals of programming course. Then a teacher can create badges like first script in Python, test data manipulation, and course completed. Each of these badges will appear on the student's profile and can be, as we already mentioned, shared and exported to demonstrate their skills to potential employers or in other contexts. Educational. In summary, digital badges in Moodle are not just a way to recognize achievements, but also contribute to student motivation and can be used as verifiable digital credentials. To award badges, In the tutorials below, we will show how to create them in two ways. One by activity completion, and another for completing a competency framework. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the video tutorials.